Hi, everyone. This is Mrs. Pearson, your elementary ELL teacher. Today we're going to work on the spelling and phonics, pictures and patterns for first grade journeys, lesson 19. And this lesson is practice A. I will also have a video that's practice B, but this lesson again is practice A, words 1 to 16. Our anchor text is Tomas Rivera. So for this lesson, you will need a pencil and a piece of paper, and you're going to write your numbers 1 to 16. And then you're going to write each of the 16 spelling and phonics words. At the end of the lesson, after you've written all the spelling and phonics words, I'm going to challenge you to get some crayons to rainbow write, or just get your pencil to write your words 3 more times. 1, 2, and 3. Your teacher might have given you this worksheet, and if so, it already has the numbers on there, numbers 1 through 16. You will need 3 crayons to rainbow write, or just write over each of the letters in each of the words 3 times. Here is our learning target. I can correctly read and spell first grade words with long O, as in OW and OA. OW, blow, and OA, boat. So long O, as in boat and blow. Success criteria. That means how will you know you're successful at correctly reading and spelling first grade words with long O, as in boat and blow? Well, here are our steps to success. I will. Number 1, read and say each word. Number 2, I will spell and write each word. Number 3, do my best. Number 4, write each word 3 more times. All right, again, this is words with long O, as in OA, boat, and OW, blow, like blow bubbles. And our grammar focus is future tense verbs. So, for example, we have the past tense, which is yesterday or past. The action is done in the past tense. Sam played blocks. Or present tense, today, the children play, or the action happens today and every day. Present tense, the children play. Or tomorrow, in the future. The action will be done in the future tense. She will play with her doll. That means she will do it later. Again, future tense, here's our verb to build. So past tense, built. The boy built the chair already in the past. Or present tense, the boy is building the chair. He's doing it right now. Or future tense, the boy will build the chair. He will do it in the future. Number 1, what is this person doing? The word is row, R-O-W, row. So make sure you write row for number 1, R-O-W, row. And here are our sentences. You do not need to write them. You can say them after me. The person rows the boat. The person rows the boat. That's present tense. Or you could say the person is rowing the boat. They're doing it right now. Or past tense would be he rowed the boat. It already happened. Or he will row the boat. That's the future. He will row the boat. So the person rows the boat. The person is rowing the boat. Past tense, he rowed the boat. Or for future tense, he will row the boat. It hasn't happened yet. All right, number 2. What do you think it is? It rhymes with row. Grow, row, grow. They belong to the same OW word family. Row, grow. 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 Here's our sentences. So after you write it, you can say these sentences with me. The plant grows. The plant is growing. Past tense, the plant grew. Or future tense, the plant will grow. So you wouldn't say will grew, it's will grow. So the plant grows, the plant is growing, the plant grew, the plant will grow. So make sure you have row and grow. Number 2, what do you think it is? Low, as in a low temperature, or the plane is flying low in the sky. So here is a future tense verb, verb. The temperature will be lower tomorrow. That's future. The temperature will be lower tomorrow. Low, lower. So low and what rhymes with low and grow? Blow. Low, blow. B-L-O-W. Blow. B-L-O-W. Blow. He blows bubbles. He is blowing bubbles. He blew bubbles. That's past tense. And here's future tense. He will blow bubbles. He will blow bubbles. So make sure you have blow and blow. He blows bubbles. He is blowing bubbles. Or past tense, he blew bubbles. He will blow bubbles. Future tense. What do you think it is? Snow, S-N-O-W. Snow, S-N-O-W. Snow. Make sure you write snow for number 5. It snows outside. It snows outside. That's present tense. It is snowing outside. It is snowing outside. Past tense, it snowed outside. It snowed outside. Future tense, it will snow outside. It will snow outside. So make sure you wrote the word snow, and it snows outside. It is snowing outside. It snowed outside, or it will snow outside. What do you think it is? Show, S-H-O-W. Show, S-H-O-W. Show. So here's our sentences with show. The teacher shows how to solve a math problem. The teacher shows how to solve a math problem. The teacher is showing how to solve the math problem. The teacher is showing how to solve a math problem. Or past tense, the teacher showed how to solve a math problem. Or future tense, it will happen in the future. The teacher will show how to solve a math problem. So make sure you have snow, S-N-O-W, and show, S-H-O-W. Snow and show. Number 7. What do you think it is? Boat, B-O-A-T, boat, B-O-A-T, boat. Future tense. We will ride our boat in an hour. We will ride our boat in an hour. Boat. We will ride our boat in an hour. What do you think it is? Coat, boat and coat, boat and coat, C-O-A-T, coat. And here's a sentence that's future tense. He will wear his new coat when it snows. He will wear his new coat when it snows. Boat and coat. Number 9, road. R-O-A-D, road, R-O-A-D. Here's a sentence for future tense. He will run down the road in an hour. He will run down the road in an hour. He will run down the road in an hour. Road, R-O-A-D, road. So what rhymes with road? Toad, road, toad, T-O-A-D, toad, T-O-A-D, toad, road and toad. So here's a future tense verb. The toad will eat the bugs hopping by. The toad will eat the bugs hopping by. Number 11. What do you think it is? Roast, R-O-A-S-T, roast, R-O-A-S-T, roast, R-O-A-S-T. So we've got present tense. He roasts the marshmallows. He roasts the marshmallows. That means he's cooking them. Or he is roasting the marshmallows. He is roasting the marshmallows. Or past tense, he roasted the marshmallows. He roasted the marshmallows. Now here's our future tense. He will roast the marshmallows tonight. He will roast the marshmallows tonight. It hasn't happened yet. So what rhymes with roast? Roast and toast. T-O-A-S-T, toast. T-O-A-S-T, roast and toast. Roast and toast. T-O-A-S-T, toast. So let's put toast in a sentence or sentences. She toasts the bread. She toasts the bread. That's present tense. Or you can say she is toasting the bread. She is toasting the bread. Past tense, it already happened. She toasted the bread. She toasted the bread. And future tense, she will toast the bread for breakfast. She will toast the bread for breakfast. Roast and toast. Number 13. Blown. Blown. B-L-O-W-N. Blown. B-L-O-W-N. Blown. Here's a future tense verb. The balloons will be blown up for the party in an hour. The balloons will be blown up for the party in an hour. Now, what rhymes with blown? Flown. 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 We've got blown, blowing up balloons, and flown. What does flown mean? Well, here's our sentence. The plane will be flown tomorrow. That's past tense for flying. The plane is flying, but you could say for future tense, the plane will be flown tomorrow. Blown and flown. Number 15. What do you think it is? What is the person doing? Mow. M-O-W. Mow. M-O-W. Mow. So present tense. The person mows the grass. The person mows the grass. That means they're cutting the grass. Or another one is the person is mowing the grass. The person is mowing the grass. They're doing it right now. Or past tense, the person mowed the grass. The person mowed the grass. And future, the person will mow the grass in an hour. The person will mow the grass in an hour. So we've got mow, and what rhymes with mow? Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Mow and crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. C-R-O-W. Mow and crow. A crow is a bird. And here's our future tense sentence. The crow will fly tomorrow. The crow will fly tomorrow. All right, it's time to check your work. Check your work. Number 1, row. R-O-W. Row. What rhymes with row? Number 2, grow. G-R-O-W. Number 3, low. L-O-W. Low. Number 4, blow. B-L-O-W. Blow. Number 5, snow. S-N-O-W. Number 6, show. S-H-O-W. Number 7, boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. Number 8, coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. Number 9, road. R-O-A-D. Road. Number 10, toad. T-O-A-D. Toad. Number 11, roast. R-O-A-S-T. Roast. Number 12, toast. T-O-A-S-T. Toast. Number 13, blown. B-L-O-W-N. Blown. Number 14, flown. F-L-O-W-N. Flown. Number 15, mow. M-O-W. Mow. Number 16, crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. So if you need to change any of your words, this is a good time to push pause and check your work. And when you're done, push play. Let's review our learning target. I can correctly read and spell first grade words with long O, O-W-O-A, as in boat and blow. Would you give yourself a 4? I could teach this lesson. I was able to read, write, and spell all the words easily and correctly. Or would you give yourself a 3? I was able to read, write, and spell most of the words correctly. Or 2, I was able to read, write, and spell some of the words correctly. Or 1, I was not able to read, write, and spell any of the words correctly. How do you think you did? 4, 3, 2, or 1? Okay, it's the end of the lesson. It's time to challenge yourself. You've written all 16 words. Now it's time to get your crayons or your pencil to rainbow write or just write your words 3 more times. 1, 2, and 3. Thank you, everyone, for practicing your spelling and phonics with me. Have a great day.